going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike's Money Tips coming at you today. I'm going to show y'all a couple of ways to make some money online, and of course I'm going to show y'all the easiest ways I know for where you can make money at home doing as little work as possible. But if y'all want to know a way to make a little bit more passive income, check out the first link in the description. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, share button for me. It helps YouTube know that you like the video. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first website we're going to go to is u-cubes, and that's with a Z.com. This right here, you can get paid just to watch videos. You know, it's an easy way to make money. You watch ads. They're super simple. You can do surveys, watch videos. You can even promote your own business on here if you want to. It's really not that difficult. Whenever you click the sign up button, but as you can see, this is who all their, PayPal, my Tommy, I don't know who they are, Super Reward, Peanut Labs, and Random One have all used this. They're a very legitimate company. They've been around for a while. They pay out $20,000 is what they've already sent out. They're a relatively new company, unfortunately, but when you log in or sign up to register, this is what it's going to look like, what they're going to ask you for. As soon as this loads, I'll show y'all. Here we go. Well, actually, I don't know. Maybe no, it's going to go to my account. It ain't going to show that anymore. Huh. Well, I tried, fellas. But anyway, as you can see here, you can go here. This is your dashboard. And whenever you click on Earn Money, it's going to take you to this screen here. You can view sponsor ads, earn per view, complete offers through these different companies. You can sell on the cube. You can list stuff for sale, like your, I believe that's like YouTube channels and stuff. But, where's that here? Go to view sponsored ads. Show you what it does. As you see, it's 10 seconds, and you earn this much of a euro. Not really sure how much of a dollar that is, but that's half of a cent. It's not a whole lot of money you're going to make with this. Of course, it's not. It's super simple. All you do is watch an ad, and you get paid. Basically, you get paid for every 10 seconds, so you could do more of this, and, you know, of course, they've got a premium that you could pay for, which I don't suggest. And the next one we're going to talk about is Fusion Cash. And that's just fusioncash.net. It's a net, not a .com. As you see, they've got sign up bonus of $5. And you can get paid for all this other stuff down through here. Sign up Gamefly, $5. Trial pay. It don't say how much. Surveys, you get paid between 75 cents and $3 a piece here. You can do paid videos here. It don't say right there, but I know if you go up here, click on videos. I know what it says, but I don't remember what. You earn 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, you know. The beauty about this is You can open it in a different tab and let it run in the background, and you don't really have to watch it. And as long as you mute the tab, it just runs through, and you still get paid. So it's super easy to do. Of course, you got tasks you can do, which we'll look at that. And tasks are listed with a reward of 50 cents worth of half a cent. We're going to skip the tour. So you pay, it's 50 cents here. And of course you can still refer a friend and get paid to click. This is a super simple way to make extra money to invest into something else that'll pay you more money down the road. See, 2.5 minutes qualifies for whatever, and it's really simple to do. But the last one pays the best, and it is iResume. As soon as it loads here, you'll see. And that's .com right here, iResume. This is one of the oldest ones. It's been around for quite some time. As you see, they're constantly getting paid. You score cash or free gift cards, so if you're not in the US or whatever, you can actually still make money with this. Just do it like through Amazon, or I'm sure they've got other gift cards. I'm not really sure what all gift cards they've got. I've not really looked into that. You earn points, and to watch the games or videos or whatever. You can even play games on this one. I'll show you all that here in a little bit. Like I said, choose a reward sent out weekly. Let's see. Okay, so when you log in, close that. Okay, this partners right here that they've earned multiple points here. As you see, the top users, they've earned thousands of points. And these guys ain't been on here real long. Like this guy right here, this is the first part of April, so he's only been here for 4 months at the most, and he's made over 6,900 points. I mean, it's definitely capable of doing. Here you got your videos that you can watch. You got Hideout Entertainment, News, Better Living, Movie Buzz, music videos, which, comedy videos, jet set videos, viral videos, food videos, and gaming videos. And if you watch this right here, you're 22 points. Now, this is what I was talking about. Here you can actually go in and play games and earn points. Which, we all play games and stuff whenever we're bored anyway, so why not? Starting and finishing a game, you get a point. Each minute playing that same game, you get 2 points. Limited to 5 minutes per game and played 500 points per day. So, it's a way to make extra money that you can cash out. Here, when you go to the reward store, Amazon gift card, 3,000 points. Spotify, Starbucks, Uber Eats. Go to any country. That way, in case y'all ain't here. It's PayPal for, let's see. And that's 12,000 points for 20 bucks and 30,000 for 5 or 50 bucks. So, it's not great money, but you can always use that money to invest into other things that will teach y'all more and better options. This is just extra pocket money for, you know, to invest into something else. Without that, you won't never make anything, and if you don't invest in yourself, you'll never be anything. So, you know, until the next video, we'll talk to y'all later.